Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going through some tips and tricks to quickly and easily fit a new Longopac cartridge to your vacuum. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. So this is a quick video how to fit a Longopac cassette to the Longopac holder on a Trom 400. So we got the cassette here. Obviously it's got no bag on, but you can see without a bag there's 4 of these little locators. So you slide it up and twist it around. So that's how it stays there. You just can't see that when there's a bag on there. So first up we've got the Longopac sleeve. It's got these 4 little bits of string on there. So you want to just fit that around the holder, just doing one bit at a time, and then poke it inside that sleeve so that the top part you can poke it in as well so that it doesn't get caught on these little holding points. So once that's in, it's important to note you don't cut these tyres just yet, otherwise you'll be in trouble. So now slip it past the this ring all the way to the top and give it a bit of a wiggle and then slide it around. Make sure it's held in there nicely. Now once that's in secure, we can cut these 4 tyres. Pull them out, one at the back. So now we've got them off. There'll be, the start of the sleeve is on the inside. So pull that, the inside goes up like that, and then the outside, you might have to peel a bit out. The outside goes down. I'll pull it all out, and then that goes on the outside and then down. So that's the way you fit it. If inside goes up, outside goes down, and then this part here, you want to put this strap back around so it seals off the bag and helps to create good suction. So that's nice and tight, and then the bottom part we bunch up at the bottom and then put a zip tie around it, about 50 mil in from the bottom so that it's sealed off, and then just pull it down, ready to go. When they're new they're a bit harder to pull down, but obviously get looser as you do your bag change. So that's all ready to go, and trust that's helpful. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.